There's a lot of competition in the smaller center console market in that 14 to say 17.5 foot range with mid-size outboard power. So with all of those choices, where do you start looking? Well, it depends on what you want. We're going to take a closer look at a great package at a really good price, and that's this Pioneer 175 baseboard. Designed for saltwater fishing in bays and close to shore, the 175 baseboard center console will certainly find itself at home in freshwater as well. It is a style and size of boat that is making big waves on inland waters. Like all Pioneer models, the 175 baseboard uses only PVC composites for structures and coring. The hull-to-deck joint is what Pioneer calls reverse cap deck adhesion. The deck is lowered into the hull while the hull is still in the mold, then adhesive putty is applied to create the bond. Open voids in the hull are filled with high-density foam under pressure. The result is a rigid, quiet, light, level-floating, unsinkable hull that exceeds Coast Guard specifications. Passing an eye along the shear line certainly reveals the boat's Carolina roots. Looking over the entire boat, I was impressed by the quality of the fit and finish, including finished lockers and undersides of hatches. All deck hardware from hinges to through hulls are flush stainless steel, and cleats are pop-ups. The rub rail is stainless steel, not plastic, as are the cup holders, scupper grates, all of this on a boat on the right side of the price curve. While the console is traditional in style, it's wider than many and sports a faux wood panel for the instruments and gauges. The captain's chairs on pedestals fit nicely behind it, so two can benefit from the windscreen's protection. If you look closer at the mounting hardware for the grab rail protecting the windscreen, you'll see that Pioneer uses top hardware that allows the assembly to fold down and the windshield to be removed. A Yeti cooler with cushion serves as a jump seat forward of the console. The forward casting deck can be converted to seating with an optional cushion. Under the deck is a large locker, and at the bow is a usable anchor locker. The aft casting deck is a bit narrow, but is large enough to incorporate two storage lockers and a Max Air live well and sea chest system. Other standard fishing features include 4 stainless rod holders, gunnel rod holders, and rocket launchers on the console. The tow pylon is an option, but the swim deck and telescoping ladder are standard. While maximum power is rated at 130 horsepower, our test boat's Yamaha F90 was a good match for light to moderate loads. Test day arrived with some wind and sizable chop to play in. The 175's modified V hull, hard chines and strakes gave the boat a dry, stable ride. Handling was without fault thanks to the hull's design, and the 175 tracked smoothly through turns with minor banking.